Welcome back to our channel all about entertainment, and today we are going to talk about the handsome, British actor Henry Cavill. Henry Cavill was born on May 5, 1983 in Jersey, a small island in the English Channel. He is best known for his roles as Superman, Clark Kent in the DC Extended Universe and Geralt of Rivia in the Netflix series, The Witcher. He comes from a family of 5 siblings, and he grew up on the island of Jersey, where he spent his childhood exploring the countryside and playing sports. Before he became an actor, he was training to join the armed forces and even considered becoming a corporate lawyer. Cavill started his acting career in 2002 when he landed a role in the film adaptation of The Count of Monte Cristo. He has also appeared in films such as Stardust, Immortals, The Man from UNCLE and Mission Impossible, Fallout. Despite his success, Henry is still very family-oriented and often shares photos of his loved ones on social media. Cavill is a fitness enthusiast and a huge fan of video games and fantasy novels, which inspired him to take the role of Geralt in The Witcher. He has received numerous awards and nominations for his performances, including the Critics' Choice Television Award for Best Actor in a Drama Series for The Tudors. Off-screen, Henry Cavill is known for his charming personality, good looks, and philanthropic work, which includes supporting the Royal Marines Charity and Durrell Wildlife Conservation Trust.